Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to click that subscribe button so you never miss another video. So today I am going to be doing a challenge video, and it's going to be the 200 crunches a day for a week. So I saw so many videos and a lot of people have had results and then some didn't, so I'm curious on how it will truly work for me. So yeah, I know everyone's body type is different and things like that, so I'm kind of curious. So I will take a picture of a before look, and then I'll also show you guys a video clip. So yeah, 200 crunches, that's a lot. So yeah, I don't know how this is going to work and how I will pull it off, but it's a challenge and I am ready to take it. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a regular crunch and then the crunches where you lift your legs up, which is like more hard, I think they want to say. So I'll do like 50 normal, then 50 of those, and 50 normal, then 50 of those. So it's not like constant normal crunch. I am starting this on Friday, April 6th. So I will be done Friday, April something. April 13th. Oh, Friday the 13th. And then we'll see the results and if I have any, and yeah. So let's get started, and yeah. So as you can tell, I don't have the flat stomach, I don't have abs, so yeah, we'll see. We can tighten this up and see what a week of 200 crunches can do. So there's the side and then the front. So let's get started.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. Colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world. me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. Colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, so today is Friday the 13th. I just got done my crunches, and let me just tell you, the challenge I thought was going to be super easy, but it's not. It does hurt after like the first 100, like your abs are killing you. So yeah, I'll show you guys my results and you can tell me if you can see any changes. I'm not sure because I see myself every day, so it's hard to tell. But I want to make this into like a series where I challenge myself with challenges like this, or like doing celebrity workout plans and stuff like that. So if you have any recommendations, just leave them below. And yeah, let's get into the results. So this is the result. I'm not sure I can really tell any difference. Maybe a little flatter, but yeah. If you can tell, let me know. I might be seeing like some lines here, but I gotta work on the lower belly a little bit more. So yeah. And I'm not sure if I lost any weight. I didn't weigh myself. So yeah. So that is my results for the 200 crunches in a week. If I keep it up, I'm sure you'll get more results, and it might not work out for everybody, so keep that in mind if you try it out. But yeah, if you have any requests of challenges or like a celebrity workout you want me to do, just leave it below and I'll be sure to get to it. And be sure to like this video and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye.